Welcome back to the Cape Coral Fort Myers and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Northwest Cape Coral and I have this beautiful home here to show you. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's 2022. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, a beautiful pool with a spa, and it's also golf access, okay? So let's not take too much of the time and let's start the tour. You're welcome with this nice big driveway to your double car garage. And as you can see, the garage has a little bit of wall of both sizes, so the garage should be pretty nice size inside. It's not those garages that are just the door and you get like a foot on the side. So that's pretty good. Okay. So we're heading inside and you got this beautiful entrance here with a double doors. As you coming into the house, you're welcome with the living room. Okay. And the beautiful view of the pool and also the canal on the back. I hope the camera is doing justice so you can see it. I'm gonna turn around here so you can see the entrance from this angle. Okay, you can see the double door entrance and the nice chandelier hanging from the ceiling. Okay. Now let's take a closer look here at the living room. Okay, you have a fan on the top, the 4 spotlights. Okay, and like I said before, it's 4 bedrooms, so this is bedroom number 1. Okay, you got 8-foot doors, very nice high ceilings. Let's check out the closet here. See? A lot of people would use this room as a den, but since it has a closet, it's considered a bedroom. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look now at the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen has a granite countertop. And over here you got your dining room. Pretty nice size dining room. Let's go ahead and continue looking at the kitchen. You got your Samsung refrigerator, stainless steel. Over here you got your dishwasher. Here's your stove, range with oven. Well, check out this exhaust fan, pretty cool, huh? And over here you got your microwave. Okay, let's look at it from this angle. It's a really nice open concept that if you're, washing the dishes here, you could be watching TV and, looking over to the dining room also. So it's nice. Okay, now let's go ahead and continue the tour here. Let's look at the laundry room. You have your washer and dryer here. And over here you have a really nice stainless steel sink. And you have closet space here. And you also have the pantry here. Really nice sized pantry. You can actually put more shelves if you want to go higher for those things that you don't regularly take out. But it's a really nice pantry. Now over here, this is your double car garage. The AC unit is up here. So it's nice, it's in the garage. And like I was saying before, you get that extra space on both sides of the garage that makes it a little wider in here, okay? And over back there, that's your water heater. Now let's go ahead and take a look at bedroom number 2 and 3. Then we head up to the master bedroom, and then we'll go outside and take a look at the pool and the golf access. Okay, so now this is room number 2. Okay, nice size. I like the size of the rooms. They're pretty big. I'm going to stand here on the angle here so you can see the size. Check out the size of the bed. Still got space on this side here a lot. Okay. Over here will be your TV. You got your plug there for it. And over here you get a walk-in closet. This room gets a walk-in closet here. Very nice. And also it has its own bathroom. Okay. So here you got your nice vanity, toilet, and a nice shower here. Very nice. I like the detail in the shower. And this door leads out to the pool. So this is a pool bath, and at the same time it's serving the purpose for this room here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at bedroom number 3. Okay. And it's kind of the same size as the other one. And so have your fan and your walk-in closet here. Whoa, nice size. Okay. And I forgot to mention, you got your hookup there for your TV. Okay, now this is the guest bathroom. Okay, very nice. It's similar like the other one, but it has a larger vanity. You have drawers on the side. Nice mirror. Nice modern light. And the shower is just beautiful. I really like the shower. And here's your toilet there. Okay. Now let's go over to the master bedroom. Take another angle here of the dining room, the kitchen. It's very spacious. Okay, now let's go ahead into the master bedroom. Check out the size of this room. Pretty nice size. Also high ceilings. Let me move around so you can visualize. Okay. Over here you got your, turn the light here. You got your 2 closets. See closet number 1. And this will be closet number 2. Nice size. Over here you got your tub, your double sink vanity here. How nice and elegant. I like the backsplash of the tub. Matches with the floor. And over here you got your shower. They did a pretty good job with the bathrooms here. This home has a pretty nice bathroom. It's all, most of it is the same style. Sometimes they do different types of bathrooms, and I kind of like it when everything's more or less the same. And here's your toilet closet. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and go outside. One more view, the entrance. Now let's go outside. Adjust the camera here a second. Okay, so out here you have a very nice area, you know, to hang out. You have your nice outdoor kitchen, plenty of space. Like you see this table here, and your kitchen consists of a granite countertop, small little sink here, refrigerator, and your barbecue. And I think this is, yep, stove. So it's good. So you cook outside if you want. You don't have to cook inside. And now let's take a look at the beautiful pool here. Like I told you before, that's the door over there that leads to that pool bath that is in that second bedroom that I showed you. Check out this beautiful pool here. I think if you're thinking about this home, I think you should be thinking about putting a fence out here. It's a little open, okay? And I think that's the only thing that you're really missing in this home. Let's go walk over to the canal. On the pictures, if you go down and you scan the barcode for the price and get the full report, I think you're gonna find pictures of how would it look if you want to put a dock here, a lift here. How would it look? So I think they got a composite of picture that shows that. So this lot is in an angle, so your waterfront is from here to that corner there, okay? But they have a way of putting your dock and your lift here. So if you wanna just scan the barcode with your phone, or go in the description below, and that way you could get the price and the full report, and it has a lot of pictures that will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so the lot is very big, as you can see. It's a very nice sized lot. The only thing, like I said, it's missing a fence. You feel like it's really open, but that's not a big thing. The home offers a lot. And another thing I would like to tell you is that since we're in the northwest, way in the northwest, we're here with we use well water and septic tank. So that's why you have this big tank over here and this filtration system for the home. Very fancy, by the way. And back there you have your AC. Beautiful pool. I like the tiles. And then on this other side, you got the pool equipment. With a heater. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you'd like to see more videos, just click here in the following videos and tell me what you think about this home in the comments below. Please give me a like so this video gets to more people, and it helps me promote my videos in the YouTube algorithm. Remember, if you're looking for a home here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, my wife and I has been selling real estate for over 24 years, you could say now. So feel free to contact us with any questions you might have on the area. We would love to help you. So signing off from Northwest Cape Coral. See you on the next video.